Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. Let's look at the updates that made the headlines today. The Israeli military has stated that Hamas is currently holding 199 hostages in Gaza, a higher number than previously estimated. Reports suggested a truce was agreed upon by the US, Israel and Egypt to allow humanitarian aid into Gaza, but Israeli Prime Minister's office denied this. The war between Israel and Hamas is entering its 10th day and tensions are escalating. The Israeli army is determined to dismantle Hamas and the conflict has already claimed over 3,900 lives. Israel has urged Palestinians to evacuate Gaza City ahead of a possible ground offensive. We will keep you updated on this situation. In a brutal incident, a 6-year-old Palestinian-American boy was killed and his mother was critically injured by an Illinois man. The 71-year-old man has been charged with murder and a hate crime. The boy was declared dead at the hospital. He was stabbed 26 times as per the autopsy report. The police said that the victims were targeted due to their Muslim identity and the ongoing Israel-Palestine war. Muslim civil organizations in the US have condemned the attack. Meanwhile, President Joe Biden said he was sickened by the attack. A court in New, Haryana has granted bail to Monu Manisa, a self-proclaimed cow vigilante involved in earlier violence. However, a court in Kaman, Rajasthan rejected the bail plea in the Junaid Nasir murder case. The Indian Army has clarified that Agniveer Amritpal Singh died by suicide while on sentry duty, leading to the decision to not extend military honours to his funeral. The Army emphasized that there is no differentiation among soldiers based on their enrollment date in the Agnipath scheme. The Army addressed the misunderstanding and misrepresentation of the facts surrounding Singh's unfortunate death and expressed condolences to his family. In a shocking incident, a poultry farm owner named Nagaraj unleashed his pet dog on a teenage girl as an act of revenge. The girl's parents, who work as daily wage workers, had declined Nagaraj's offer to work on his farm, which made him furious. On October 9, as the girl was returning home from school, Nagaraj commanded his dog to attack her. The girl suffered severe injuries and was immediately taken to a government hospital for treatment. The Bengaluru police have filed criminal charges against Nagaraj and an investigation is currently underway. Bengaluru witnessed a life-saving heart transplant as a 14-year-old boy's heart is transported from Sheshadripuram to Sparsh Hospital in just 13 minutes and 17 seconds through a green corridor. The transplant procedure was underway for a 7-year-old girl battling dilated cardiomyopathy and advanced heart failure. This successful operation brings hope and a new lease of life for the young patient. With a reading of minus 0.26% in September, India's WPI-based inflation rate remained negative for the 6th month in a row. According to data released by the Commerce and Industry Ministry, wholesale inflation was minus 0.52% in August and 10.55% a year ago. The primary cause of the deflation in September was a drop in the cost of chemical and chemical products, mineral oils, textiles, basic metals and food items. Cricket is back in the Olympics. The International Olympic Committee has given the green light for the cricket to be included in 2028 Los Angeles Games. It's been over a century since cricket was last played in the Olympics, so this is a big deal. The short and excitement T20 format will be showcased, bringing a whole new level of excitement to the games. Well, these were the latest updates for the day. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.